India and the European Union moved their proposed free trade agreement discussion forward during Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal's two-day visit to Brussels, which ended on 9th of January. Goyal was in the Belgian capital on 8th and 9th of January, where he held multiple high-level meetings with EU Commissioner for Trade and Economic Security Maros Sefcovic. The discussion focused on moving the long-running India-EU FTA talks forward, with both leaders offering clear guidance to their negotiating team to resolve outstanding matters and speed up the process. The talks placed strong emphasis on balancing trade ambitions with domestic priorities. Both sides underlined that the agreement must protect farmers and micro, small and medium enterprises while also helping Indian industries strengthen their participation in global supply chains. According to the Ministry of Commerce, the ministerial talks covered several critical aspects of the agreement. Progress across negotiating tracks such as market access for goods, rules of origin and services was reviewed, with both sides acknowledging steady movement on these fronts. The report News Now.